I've bought a lot of fucking things in this life. $3,000 camera lens. Very nice vacations. I love buying candy for the kids. Actually, you know what? They banning Skittles in fucking Cali, but I'm not gonna stop here. But you know what's the best thing I've ever bought, guys? Oh no! These earrings. These black cat earrings. No funny. Like, it's not a good view. Best purchase I've ever made. I love these earrings. That's it. That's all I came for.